Hello everyone, this video was recently requested one of our subscribers on their video where I showing how I use these picks to open the safe if you lost keys, and I'll show you really quick what it's made off of. So I used a regular clamp. It's a stainless steel product. I hope I'll make it before rain starts. So we have one long piece. You can use the small pieces, it's just perfectly fine. So we need to straighten this up a little bit. I'll just use the little hammer. You can just use your hands and make it straight. I'll show you how I made this one right here. This one is basically my main one to pick everything. So we use a tin snips with a cut handle over here. The reason why we use it because it's very easy to cut the metal. You can cut it around. Nice handle. If you do not have anything to file with, use grinder. If you don't have a grinder, use whatever you have. This one is made for wood and it's very nice on everything. So we made a handle. Now we will need to make the longer pick. So you'll need at least, I would say, 2 inches. Since I already have 2 inches, am I going to make the bigger one? And now let's see, we can start with, I don't have the one with the end tip. I'll show it to you. This one is a sharp. I want to make one where this one of the pins goes up. I'll cut it a little bit bigger at the end. And again, you can cut it with other tools. You can use Wise or this tool to hold it in place. I'm just doing everything in my hands. I made a little hook. This one is a little bit more sharp. Why did I twist the angle over here? Because when you want to go pry it in, you want to make some pushes over here. This way it will be a little harder. So that's why we got to snip this a little bit for your hand comfort. I didn't grab pliers, but I'll use something else. and we're going to test that as well. So the next part is the louver, one that has helped to spin the lock. I will definitely not gonna make one right now, since I do have this one and this one. This is actually, both of them is enough for me, but you can go ahead and do it. Same technique. You just use see, I just bend the end of it to make more softer for the hand. So you just cut it right here with the metal cutter. Okay, let's go ahead and lock this lock and see if I can unlock it with this new tool that we just made right here. So I'll just make sure the lock is locked. Get this extra weight out of me. Okay, lock, unlocked. Let's go ahead and lock this up. I'll just use the longer one right here. This one is very long. Spray WD-40 in just for the heck of it. So I was right, the rain just started. I'll just spray WD-40 inside, and let's see how that all goes. As you're picking those things on the side, you push and lock slightly. Let it go and push it. You can hear when you're pushing how those pins go back and forth, making a little bit of noise. There you go. This is the moment. Let's do it again. Yeah, WD-40 do the very good job. Halfway through, I can hear things popping and losing. Sometimes it can be quick, sometimes it can get up to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, depends on the lock. I can see the pins popping back and forth. There you go. This is just basically peaks that made from the ring, from the clamp. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Thank you.